We got everything blacked out, murdered, looking clean and mean. We got the color washes. We about to get the chrome outlets tomorrow. It's time to get to it. It's crunch time, man. I'm telling y'all. Man, Antonio do some good ass fucking work. God damn, this shit look good. I ain't gonna lie, this is nice. Got all the accessories, all the gadgets, everything you could think of, man. Everything, man. I'm telling you, I gotta get up in here and get me some pieces for sure. And it's all on hand. You can literally walk in, man. I'm telling you. Yeah, this bike is beautiful. I love this blue, man. I'm telling you, he got all the pieces. Blue with the washers, Harleys, everything, everywhere, man. What up, YouTube, man? We back at it. We just made it out here all the way to LA. I had to leave my truck out here so I could save me some gas. But anyway, we got the truck out here going up, man. We about to go ahead and head to the powder coat shop. We got to get our parts for our 2015 Road Glide. Once we get those, we're going to have everything complete with the motor today. So stay tuned for that. We got our washers yesterday. We're going to go ahead and head to Ace Hardware, get all the last finishing bolts. Once we get those last bolts, we're going to be good to go. So understand that. Today going to be a good ass day, man. We got to just literally execute everything we need to do, and all the final products is going to be finished. So stay tuned for that, man. We in the Copart truck about to get to it and make it happen. You already know what's going on, man. We are at the home base where it all started. So just know, man, it's time to go up and make it happen, man. I'm about to literally get this thing painted or something. Me, my boy Ray, and my pops all put the 6-inch lift kit on here. I got some tires and rims. I want to get some more. I was kind of irritated at the front, sit it down a little bit more than the back, but the front does have the motor, which is all the weight. But like I said, I'm about to turn the work truck out real soon. And then we about to have our new truck coming, so stay tuned, man. We slide. Yes, sir, man. We just literally left the washer spot again. I had to come back because yesterday I got the washers for the rockers, no, for the push rods housing, and it was too small. So I'm like, I gotta use these for something else on the bike. So I came back out here. We got another load, man, and I actually brought the right bag of screws. So we literally got all the bolts. We about to go swap out at Ace Hardware right now. And then we got our set of washers that we needed for the other one. So it's coming together, y'all. I'm telling y'all, little by little, we're getting there more and more every single day, y'all. We sliding, not hiding, man. Y'all see what's going on. So make sure y'all enter the win to the Silver Bullet giveaway, y'all, because I'm telling y'all, we getting to it every day right now, man. I'm telling you, we getting it in, making it happen, man. Get in to win it while you can, y'all. So we've been having kind of a crazy morning. We left the washer spot. I wanted to get these brake lines, but they didn't have them in stock, and he had to take some time to make them, so I have to wait for that. On top of that, we went to the powder coat shop. They're not done with my parts. They had barely just got started. Very upsetting, but I'm not tripping. They're human. So besides that, we're about to head to Hog Part Pros. They got a lot of accessories, so y'all definitely gonna see what's going on. I got my boy Ryan up there in the back helping me out. Found me a gas tank that I need for the 2015 Road Glide that we're giving away for second place. So stay tuned for that. We about to finally have the complete full paint set now, so Antonio could get everything done, and we're gonna be on our way, man. So understand, that thing is about to be 100% complete, especially once we get the powder coated parts. It's about to look amazing. So we're gonna head to Hog Parts, get these parts, and I gotta go to I can't even think, man. My mind is racing right now.
Unknown caller.
So we done made it to Hog Part Pros. They got a whole new location. You gotta come down. It's still on Crenshaw. It's just down a little bit more towards Florence, but I'm gonna give y'all the full scoop right now, man. They got a little bit of everything up in here. They got all the accessories, all the gadgets, everything you could think of, man. So if you got you a stock bike, all you gotta do is come down. They got everything, man. I'm telling you, I gotta get up in here and get me some pieces for sure. And it's all on hand. You can literally walk in, man. I'm telling you. They got everything. That's crazy. Floorboards, everything you could think of, man. I'm telling you. Fuck the internet. You could literally come down here in person. That's crazy. They got everything. This location is dope. See, that's what I had on the blue and red bike, and I got them from Hog Parts. My boy blessed me. See, they got everything. They fully loaded. We're gonna copyright it. But I'm telling y'all see what's going on, man. You gotta come down. They got everything, all the pieces. I like the gold legs. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all better come down here, man, because this is sick. They had a lot at the last spot, too. I've seen a few times, but I'm telling you, look at the rims. See, I walked right past. Got the Harleys joints on there. Hey, man, I'm telling y'all, if I get copyrighted, just know I tried to look out for y'all, show y'all the video, man. Y'all see it. They got all the pieces you could think of, man. I'm telling you, everything up in here. Like I said, I got to get up in here myself, man. They got all the goodies. That's crazy, man. They got some nice ass bikes too. This thing look good. I like that scheme. That thing look good. But y'all see what's going on, man. They got the helmets in here, everything. Yeah, this is super dope. Come support my people. telling you, about to get it in, man. My boy about to bless me with a gas tank for the bike. My boy, they got me. My brother. See, my boy get you right with the music too, man. Hey, it's funny, I had Carell bike all on my channel. Yeah, me and Carell was sliding everywhere. They didn't heard the music for sure, man. I'm telling you, I want to get that music done. I'm for my boy info, man. I'm telling you. So we got the gas tank. That's exactly what we need for the bike. They stripped it all perfect for me. Yes, sir, man. Y'all see it though, man. I'm telling you. Hey, you know the address by heart? You know that? 6825 South Crenshaw. Y'all see it, man. They got everything you need. Literally. Everything you need, man. Come see them, man.
All them bikes like that for sale too. Not this.
Oh, yeah, those for sale? Nah, that's what's up. Yeah, this bike is beautiful. I love this blue, man. I'm telling you, he got all the pieces. Blue with the washers, Arleness, everything, everywhere, man. This thing is looking good. I'm telling you, they got Arleness, everything up in here. It's a cool ass spot, man. See, this is the type of thing that I'm gonna really have one day once I have that land with that huge ass house with the acres. Just build some shit like this to chill in. This is dope. They got the pool table, the TV. This is dope as hell. Man, nah, this is dope as hell. I'm telling you, they doing it for sure. Man, I ain't gonna lie, we've been having a super crazy day all over the place, but it's good. We got everything on the road and rolling. We literally pulled up to the powder coat shop, about to grab these last parts. I got some great, fantastic news, y'all. Y'all will not believe it. The motor casings have finally arrived from Harley. We still have not got the complete motor, but we got them casings, so I'm telling you, I'm about to get back to the house and get this motor complete, man, because I'm telling you, it's game time. It's game time, y'all, like no other, never before. It look good.
Hey. Ooh. Hey, 2 hours day.
2 hours?
You.
Oh,
You. 2 hours.
2 hours ago? Yeah. Nah, it look good though. It look good.
Okay. No mucho pay.
Yeah. No, that's good. That's
okay,
good.
Okay.
What you like to drink, man? I'm gonna bring you something to drink tomorrow. What you like to drink, man?
Budweiser.
Say it one more time.
Budweiser.
Budweiser. I got you tomorrow. All right. Take my
okay.
word. I'll see you tomorrow. Appreciate you. We got all our powder coated in there, perfectly wrapped up, nice and neat. Now we're about to get our crash bars. Yes, sir, y'all. We are in the game. I'm telling y'all, it's game time. We got both of the crash bars powder coated black, nice, clean, and fresh for our 15 and our 19. We got all the powder coated parts in the box. Woo! I can't even get my words out, y'all. It's game time. So now we got all our powder coated parts in the back in the truck. I'm excited. Y'all don't even understand, man. Hey, let me tell y'all, it's game time. I'm telling y'all. Hey, cause look, I was already so amped today. I'm like, man, I'm about to get the motor done, powder coat done. All I gotta do is go get these washers and Allens. I hope I can make it in time again, because I keep doing the same thing, having so much going, because they close early. But anyway, they really called and said, yo, Dre, your engine casing's at Harley. How they even beat the other motors? And on top of that, we about to get it going, I'm telling y'all. And we got a head start for the next build, so understand that, man. We sliding, not hiding, big dog. We're about to head to Antonio and drop our gas tank off in the back of the bed, and then we slide it, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. We working. I got the gas tank. Antonio, I ain't been here so long. Those are nice. You painted them? That's crazy.
The paint green.
Oh, you painted green.
For Maserati, you remember?
Oh, the Maserati. Yeah. I like that color. This is it. It got no damage, so we good. No damage on that thing, man. We got it looking good. Tomorrow, I'm gonna bring my boy Ashton parts, the whole paint set. I'm gonna bring it from my house. Man, I ain't been here so long. This Camaro is nice. Whose is this? Whose is this? 68? Damn, this mug nice, dude. The hideaway lights or no? It got the hideaways? No. Oh, circles? Okay, I got it wrong. I'm still learning. Damn, SS, this is nice. What's going on, bro? This motherfucker nice too. Now you good, man. We got hard working hands. Damn. Oh, you did his fucking car. Fucking Darnell. Damn, this motherfucker nice. Woo! Man, Antonio do some good ass fucking work. God damn, this shit look good. I ain't gonna lie, this is nice. This is nice. Damn, that mug crazy. That shit good. Yeah, dude, this is next level. Darnell, if you watching this, you looking good, my brother. You looking good, big dog. You looking good, man. That's crazy. That shit look good. Oh, yep, we got the parts right there. Got a few sanded. Hey, Antonio, this shit looks good. Damn, that's crazy. I got some space in here though now. Man, I ain't gonna lie, this shit looks so good. It remind me of when he did my bike, that same blue kind of. They got the wagon. Damn, this is nice too. I like that console. I'm pretty sure they know each other. But this is dope. Antonio, man. Yes, sir, man. We pulling off from Antonio's shop. I'm hella amped up. Y'all don't even know. We got the paint in there already getting buzzed down, sanded down, ready to go on the road, man. It's game time. It's time to go up and make it happen because that paint should be done. If not this weekend, then next week for sure. And like I said, we got everything on the way. So I'm telling y'all, get in to win it while you can, man. Get your 10 spots today because I'm telling you, the time is going to be up really soon. And I'm telling y'all, y'all going to be mad y'all missed out because, oh, I can't wait, man. We going up, man. I'm telling y'all, it's lit. We got to make it happen, man. Keep our foot on the gas. And full throttle, for real. But I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I honestly doubt I'm about to make it time to get to Ace Hardware unless I go out here before I head back to the house. I'm about to figure it out right now because everything is done for the day. We got everything loaded up. I'm just ready to get home to this point and get everything on the way, man. Cause I'm telling y'all, it is game time, dude. Yes, sir, man. We done made it back to the house, man. We got all the stuff that we need. Not everything, but we got a good amount of stuff. So we're gonna start right there. I'm excited. It's game time, man. I'm gonna keep telling y'all over and over because in the next few days, y'all gonna be like, damn, Dre, I see why you kept saying it. So look, man, we got first place and we got second place, man. Second place, I love first place. Don't get me wrong. It's going crazy, but second place, whoo, wee. Yes, sir, man. We are getting somewhere. But this is what we got to accomplish today, y'all. We got both our crash bars for this June. So this is about to go in there. The other black one is going on the 2019. We're gonna have that bolted up. We got both of the crash bars over there to put both of these on there and fully bolt that up. So these both are about to look amazing in no time. I'm telling y'all. I'm so amped up, but it's just it's so hard to explain it. Let me tell y'all some funny stuff. I go to Antonio trying to go get the give him the gas tank I got for this bike. This dude literally got my whole piece that goes right here, and I'm over here ordering one. But the blessing in it is that now I got two. I got the original one back for this, and I got another extra one for this. So that's a good thing about that, man. But like I said, we went and picked up some more washers. We got these today. We already had these yesterday. We got a load extra, so we in the game, man. I got a huge surprise for this, but like I said, our engine casings came for this Joan, man. So stay tuned. We're going to Harley first thing tomorrow to grab that and get that motor complete. So expect the first start of running on this thing by the weekend, man. I'm telling y'all, I manifested and it really came true and happened. So I'm telling y'all, I'm going to manifest it again. We're going to have both of these things complete after this weekend. I'm telling y'all, just waiting on the feet. So stay tuned, man. Hey, I really hope some of y'all genuinely appreciate this stuff because I'm telling y'all, whoever win these bikes is about to be crazy in love like me because do y'all see how we coming, man? Like, legit. Do y'all legit see how we coming? Like, literally, man. This bike was whooped. And I cannot wait to tell y'all how I really came across this whole bike. But I'm gonna wait till it's done. We're gonna get to that story. But, dude, we got everything blacked out, murdered, looking clean and mean. We got the color washes. We're about to get the chrome alloys tomorrow. I would have did it today, but I had some tragic, crazy stuff going on. But y'all see it. We got the crash bars out. Everything in here looking good, man. It's game time. I'm amped up, y'all. Y'all don't even understand. And we got that motor here. It's crazy. I got so much to do now. It's unbelievable, but it's time to get to it. It's crunch time, man. I'm telling y'all. Y'all see what's going on? Look at this. This is my favorite piece right here. Look how wet. Oh my God. Boy. It's lit, man. I can't wait. I'm telling you.